Isn't it a lovely, vibrant, bright colored arrangement? Yes, we are using the cherry blossom and the chrysanthemums, and any place, any room, any corner you keep this, instantly it will brighten up the room. So let's start seeing how we are going to do it. I'll be showing a very simple arrangement, very simple and yet very beautiful, which can brighten up any room. We don't need many things for that. We need your choice of flowers. I'm taking this cherry blossoms, a bunch of cherry blossoms, and a bunch of chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemum has two colors, bright pink and yellow, light yellow. And I might use, I'm just keeping this, I might use this light pink and maybe a filler or something like that. So I'm keeping this. I might use something else. I'll show you as I'm using them. So first I'm going to cut all these stems out from the the branches out from the main stem. So this is the height we are going to use for the middle piece. Now the side ones has to be less taller than that. So we'll cut accordingly the branches. Let's finish the sides equally from both sides whenever you're doing. Otherwise later on you'll find there will be problem in fixing the flowers. So you fix the flowers in such a way that the middle one, then the side ones are done simultaneously. Then we'll go towards the sides. Again, the height we will reduce because as we go to the side, we need the height to be reduced. Come sort of closing the arrangement. You cannot spread it out so much because as I said the base is not that big, so let's try to close it. See, both the sides should be of same height. Just see that. That's very important. Now we need very small one. We are going to put them on the sides like this. Look at this now. We had already covered the back or backdrop, whatever you want to say it, it's already covered. Now we are going to fill up this. The main idea will be while you are doing the flower arrangement, first of all the base should not be seen and there should not be too much gap in between different branches or the pieces. So wherever you will find, now we are going to fill them up with the chrysanthemums. And all these pieces what we have cut from the cherry blossoms, we are going to keep it because we are going to make use of them. Let's take one tall piece of chrysanthemum. See, one particular branch I have not cut. I kept one branch because I need for the center one, I need one taller branch. So I kept it as it is. So we are going to use that first. Now you see the height of the flowers. Whenever you're picking up, the height of the flower should be same as like I said for the base also. They all should be of same height you should pick up. And preferably the same type of flowers on top so that both the sides will have the same colors. So these flowers you can, the flowers, the size or the placement of the flowers can be adjusted accordingly. we have put a same combination. All these flowers are with same combination. We are going to put them on the sides. Don't you think, are they already started filling up? Since these are on wires, you can always adjust the placement. Little bit of turning this side, that side can help. So now I am going to use one flower, which is the pink flower on top. So we use here all yellow flowers. Now let's use something different. The same combination, but the pink flower will be on top. So we are already filling up. Let's make very small cutting of these flowers now, because this area we have to fill up now, the front. So we'll make the height again less. Let's put this in the center first. Now we are going to make these things again the same length or height. We are going to take them so that they fill up the base. Look at this. Hardly any time it took, and it looks very beautiful. We got a little touching up to do, because I find this is slightly towards there's a gap in between these two. So we'll just adjust it. We don't have to take it out and redo or something. Just adjust the height and placement of these things. That's it. Now, like I said, I had already kept these cherry blossom cuttings. Whatever we had left out of those cherry blossom branches, we are going to make use of them. I've taken these pieces which was left out of the cherry blossom, and I'm going to put them and fill them up. Wherever you find place here, see, it is just adding to the color, and it gives a fullness to the arrangement. You find place here, the thermocol, just stick them on the thermocol here. Take another one. The important thing in these flower arrangements that always see that there is symmetry. Now we have put one piece here, one piece here. So please put another one here so that you have a symmetry when you are looking at the flowers. Now if you find this is drooping, just turn this down. So you have the similar arrangements here. Like I said, how is it? Don't you think it's looking lovely? We can do one more thing. Now, this, if you find this is sticking out, okay, bring them down. These fillers, let the fillers be out. Now, just bring it little in front so that this gives a very nice look. Now, after doing this, if you find, take your arrangement, look around. Can you see the thermocol anywhere? You can't see the thermocol at all. Nobody knows that I have done the arrangement on the thermocol. So this is a lovely pink arrangement with the cherry blossom, pink cherry blossom and pink and yellow chrysanthemums. So I've used a very straight arrangement in this. There's no turning, twisting much. I'll be showing much more little different arrangements with very few flowers. Also, in my coming videos, I'll be showing how you can make lovely arrangements with some leaves which are you available at home, the fresh leaves, and just one or two flowers, which I'm sure everybody has few flowers at home. With that, how to arrange, and these arrangements can be used in different parts of the house. Now, this particular arrangement can be kept in a corner. It can be kept in a centerpiece if it is, you have a backdrop, maybe a showcase or something behind that, and it can be kept in the bathroom ledges. This is a very versatile arrangement. Anywhere you can keep it. Don't you think these arrangements are so beautiful and they don't cost much? And like I said, they are permanently arranged. See, I just arranged in front of you. They don't come out. They are permanently arranged and they are washable. Anytime you feel they are getting dirty or the dust is collected on that, what you can do is that just take them under the tap and wash them off and just keep it like this for drying, and they are ready and fresh. Look at this arrangement. How amazing it looks. The bright pink cherry blossoms and the yellow chrysanthemums giving a very exotic look and so vibrant. So let's beautify our home with many more arrangements like this. I'll be coming with many more arrangements. Hope you all like this video. Please put your comments in the comment section. Like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe for my channel if you are not done yet. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications and the coming videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.